Got him. Look at how fast he's towing me right now. Nope, not a catfish. Woo! We're gonna get some bait right quick. As you can see, there's lots of thread fins right here. We're just dropping speakies down. Oh, nope, I was on. Oh yeah.
Oh.
There we go.
That's a cute one.
That's a cute one.
That's a good one though.
He's looking tasty. Oh no! There we go. Perfect snook size. Or at least big snook size. Alright, good luck, man. I've already seen a couple tarpon roll. Not massive ones that I might be able to get on like a 4,000. I've seen some small sharks. That could be fun, but we're really up here looking for big snook. See, there's a little shark right there. Little black tip. Big old lemon shark right on the flat right here. Around the oyster bar, I mean. Look at this lemon shark right here. Oh, he didn't like that. Oh my God. That lemon shark came right up to the boat. With how clear the water is, I'm gonna see if I can sight fish some redfish or snook. So I'm gonna start moving along the edge of this oyster bar. If this doesn't work, might have to put on a little bit of wire and do a little bit of shark fishing off the kayak. A lot of them around right now. I think I see a nurse shark right here. Got him. That is not a nurse shark, that is a lemon shark. Okay. I'm getting towed right now. All right, I guess we're going shark fishing today. Look at how fast he's towing me right now. I just saw this lemon shark literally sitting on the bottom like a nurse shark and dropped half a threadfin in front of his face. He just slowly swam over to it and picked it up. Again, I don't have wire on here. I was going for reds. Just happened to see the shark just sitting there, so see if we can land him. Hey, it's been tough today so far, so I'll take anything to take a little drag. That's so much fun. Get him over there. What are those? I think those are all redfish. Is this just like a massive school redfish I'm running over right now? Oh, that's sick. He's at least 4 feet. Gaining on him now. I see him over there. Shallow water lemon sharks. Hey, dude. At least a 4-foot lemon. 30-pound fluoroliter. Hasn't broken off yet. he's just towing the kayak right now. Use the kayak to kind of tire them out. There he is. It's about a 4-foot lemon. Oh, I got him in the pec fin. That's how he didn't break me off right away. He ate the bait and then must have came out, got him in the fin. Lemon sharks are notorious for like how flexible they are and how quickly they can turn around. So I'm gonna try my best to get the hook back, but not too confident. Yeah, for my own safety, I'm probably gonna have to cut it. Come on over here. This hook will rust out, and since it's right in the fin, it won't mean too much damage at all. There he goes. See you, dude. It honestly made it more difficult for me to try and get the hook out since he was hooked in the pec fin like that. If you have them hooked in the mouth, then you kind of have control of the mouth. You can use the line or whatever and kind of make sure they're not going to thrash around too much. But when you have them hooked in the fin like that, you have no control. And that shark, especially like a smaller size lemon like that, they can just whip around so quickly. So I think in that case scenario is the best situation for me to just go ahead and cut the line, leave the hook in his fin. But like I said, it will rust out here shortly in like a week or two. I'm just gonna go on a full shark fishing mission. Put a little bit of wire on, big circle hook, bend down the barb, see if we can sight fish 1 or 2 more of them. Got an 8-0 Gamakatsu circle hook right here. About 2-foot section of wire. Nah, not even 2 foot, probably like 1.5 feet. Big old swivel. Just gonna tie that on. And I made sure to bend down the barb on this hook to make it easier to release the shark once it does come right up next to the kayak. Don't really want to be fighting it too much right there. So I went ahead and cut the tail off of this big old thread fin. Just gonna hook them right there. Now I'm just gonna see if we can find some sharks that we could sight fish. All right, so I just set up in a different spot. As you can see, there's the flat oyster bar I was fishing earlier, and it's really shallow right now, a couple inches deep, and the tide's still going out. And if you can see behind me, it's shallow over there. But right here, there's a deep little channel that cuts across this flat. And I'm assuming this would be kind of like a highway for these bigger fish like these sharks, especially when the tide is going out like this. So I've anchored up, and I'm gonna be throwing out some pieces of cut thread fin, and I'm gonna see if we can pick up 1 or 2 more sharks. I got the wire rig out there right now with half a thread fin just sitting on the bottom. Got loose drag right now. Just wait for someone to pick it up. I'm anchored up right now, but I kind of have a little quick release system where I've tied off the end of my anchor rope to this bait bucket, and if I do get like a big bite, I can just unclip it right here. The anchor will let go. This will kind of let me know exactly where it is, because this will float on the surface, and then I can go catch a fish, catch a shark or whatever, and then come back to this and grab my anchor again. I think I got one. Got one. There's a little shark. Oh, it's a little black tip this time. Oh, he's jumping. That's cool. I just heard a couple clicks on it, so I picked it up and saw the line moving. Little baby black tip. There's a ton of these around lately. No way you're already done. There's no way you're already done. Yeah, nope. I'm away from the anchor. There he goes. Yeah, so we got like a 4 or 5 foot lemon and like a 2 foot black tip. Nice little variety. Come on over. These guys get up to like 6 feet and like 100 pounds and they fight so hard for their size. And with the big circle look and no barb, it should come out pretty easily. Little black tip right there. He's not ready yet. He's not ready yet. There he goes. See you, dude. See if we can get one more. Oh, hey. You're spooking all the fish.
Yeah, I didn't really see much of anything, honestly.
This morning, like high tide, I saw, oh, it's feeling catfishy.
Seems like it's running pretty fast.
Nope, not a catfish.
Yes, that was a shark. I saw him.
Not a catfish.
I saw him too. He darted.
Uh-oh.
That's all the bigger one.
Yeah, he's going for your boat.
I'll keep the line off. Don't worry.
Oh, there's a bigger one.
Yeah, he was probably almost 3 feet.
Yeah, that's sick. He just jumped. I think I got him wrapped now. Feels like he's wrapped.
Yeah, it looks like it.
He jumped and spun. Spun, whatever you want to call it.
Oh yeah, he's back. He's backwards.
Backing it up.
Literally.
Put it in reverse, Terry! Oh, jeez.
Now he's
Woo! That's so sick. Turn! I got it! Don't worry about me!
Oh no!
Don't worry about me! Turn him!
I'm going!
Turn him! Just take the rod!
Oh! I was like, what do you want me to do?
Cam Taters now got him!
Back to you!
No, you're too far! This is all you now. Oh, you got it. Sick!